Remember when you tried to film that perfect walking shot, only to end up with footage that looked like you were recording during an earthquake? Or when you were attempting to vlog solo but kept walking out of frame? Well, I've been playing with something that might just change your game in content creation completely. What's up, guys? My name is Dennis Wawero, and this is the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI is basically a magic wand for your smartphone videos, what the film industry tends to call a gimbal, a handheld stabilizer that makes sure that your shaky footage looks butter smooth and almost professional. But this isn't just any gimbal. It's like the cool older sibling who went away to college and came back with amazing new tricks. The star of the show is, of course, the gimbal's magnetic AI tracker that snaps onto your phone mount. Unlike the other gimbals that force you to use their often clunky apps for tracking, this little genius works with your phone's native camera app or any other app that you may prefer. I'm talking to you TikTok and Instagram. So how does it work? Well, all you have to do is place the gimbal on its included tripod, step back, and make a simple hand gesture. Like magic, the gimbal recognizes you and follows your movements as you dance, demonstrate a workout, or walk around explaining your latest passion project. It's like having a personal camera operator who never complains or asks for coffee breaks, for example. One thing that constantly frustrates creators who have to depend on smartphone cameras often is lighting. The Smooth 5S AI comes with its own built-in fill light on the tilt axis that makes a noticeable difference when you're filming, especially in dim or dark conditions. If you spring for the Pro Kit that costs about 30,000 Kenya shillings, give or take, you get 2 additional magnetic lights with colored gels that snap right onto the gimbal. Combined, they pump out enough light to make sure that your subject pops without that harsh deer in the headlights look. Filming a cooking tutorial, for example, in a poorly lit kitchen gets to be less of a hassle, as you get no more shadowy or murky footage with lighting that you can easily work with as you edit the video later. The other thing that really impressed me with this gimbal is its level and speed of balancing. Unlike fancier gimbals where you need an engineering degree basically to balance everything, you only need to adjust one axis on the Smooth 5S AI. Slide the arm until the phone is level and you're good to go. The control panel feels intuitive enough after a few minutes of play. There's obviously a joystick for manual control, a mode button to switch between different stabilization styles, and a tactile wheel that lets you zoom smoothly without touching the phone screen. So you get to say goodbye to those jerky zoom ins. With all these cool features, I would say this gimbal absolutely excels in many scenarios like filming yourself for tutorials, vlogs, or demonstrations, or if you need that cinematic motion in your videos with smooth pans, tilts, and tracking shots, of course. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with this gimbal. It's not the most portable option out there that will enable you to slip it into your pocket. You will obviously need some sort of carrier bag, and there is no included carrier case with the base model. But the Pro Kit has one, and mounting external mics to your phone, it can get tricky sometimes with the setup. So you might need to have a whole separate device for your audio if you aren't using the smartphone solely for recording the audio. Who should be getting this gimbal? Well, if you're serious about elevating your smartphone content, especially if you film yourself, this is definitely a worthy investment. At around 22,000 Kenya shillings, which is about $169 for the base model, and about $249, which is about 30,000 for the fully Pro Kit. And yes, I know that it's not cheap, but it's considerably less expensive and definitely worth the longevity than having to hire a camera person every time you want to shoot. After months of testing, my smartphone videos, I would say, genuinely look like they were shot by a small film crew rather than just me fumbling around alone. The AI tracking alone works remarkably well, although it occasionally can lose you in very bright backlit situations. And the stabilization is smooth enough for professional looking results. Is it perfect? No. But is it a game changer for solo creators? Absolutely. If you are ready to level up your video quality without learning complex equipment or breaking the bank for professional camera gear, then the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI definitely deserves a spot in your creator toolkit. Well, that's it from me. Let me know what you guys think about the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI. Yes, that is a mouthful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.